is located in southeast Europe, bordered by Montenegro and Greece. The country is covered with beautiful mountains and beaches. Tirana is the capital of Albania. Albania is a very poor country, and it actually happens to be one of the poorest in Europe. The population of the people in Albania is 2.7 million, with the life expectancy to be around 74 years old. All citizens are entitled by law to equal access to healthcare, but due to poverty levels in Albania being immense, very few people can afford healthcare. The healthcare system is very reliant on charitable aid. Patients are free to register with the doctor of their choice, but most of the doctors are not well trained in general practice. In 2015, 243,000 diabetes cases were reported in Albania. The number of deaths due to diabetes was roughly 2,908. Diabetes is included on the list of conditions that receive support from the public health system, but it is not considered a major health issue for the country, nor is it a target for prevention or awareness efforts. People with diabetes reported their concerns regarding the quality of the medical service and access to medication and education. One of the problems is the co-payment system that constitutes a burden for the people with diabetes regardless of their treatment scheme. The governmental support is perceived as insufficient by the patients with very low incomes. Most of the people with diabetes interviewed are rather content with the system. Even in discussing the details, there are problems in accessing the public specialized medical service, and they are often referred to private clinics for medical tests or specialized interventions. Even if there is no special training of the teachers and colleagues of the children with diabetes, all the children reported a good support from the schools. They had flexible time, permission to take breaks whenever necessary, and constant telephone contact with their parents. In the same vein, the employers demonstrated flexibility and understanding for adults who develop diabetes.